So the message of today comes from the Ace of Swords in reverse. We are reminded to be kind in our speech. We are reminded for our tongues to not be too sharp, because the tongue can actually bring death or life. We are reminded to remember the sharpness of the tool that we have in our mouth. Sometimes we underestimate the power of our words, so we have to use them wisely, use them to build rather than to cut. So we have to be aware, we have to be conscious. Sometimes we can accidentally say something, or something might slip um, out of our mouths. We have to actually take conscious effort and conscious decision and energy to control our speech, so that we don't cut and inflict unnecessary wounds with our speech.